Me, Kira, and today I'm here with my cousin Kylie in Orlando because we took a little field trip, right?
Yeah.
And today's video is going to be on Slimos. And I just gave you a sneak peek of slime 2. It's actually the Nickelodeon slime, right?
Yeah.
And today we're using a real camera, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just got it. And it's pink. I'm just kidding, it's black.
Okay. So
I just said that because I wanted you guys to think it was interesting, but we're not so famous. Not yet. This is my first video. Actually, I've made a lot of videos. This is just on my new phone, and my profile is for my mom, so it's gonna be Tanya Louise, and it's got a picture of my mama. I'm getting the slimes out because we have to get them ready. And this one, it reminds me of me, and it reminds me of her because her birthstone color is like a bluish color, and this is what color this is. And my birthstone is gold, and it has little gold specks in it.
okay, so we should probably start with slime number 1.
Yeah, but first let me get slime number 4 out. Slime number 4 is very interesting. It's kind of...
Don't show them.
Oh, yeah. All right, let's get all these slimes out of the way. Let me get it. We just made this one today. And we also made slime.
No, first we have to explain slime number 1.
Slime number 1.
Can I please say something?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so this slime we made it with borax glue, a lot of glue, and we put food coloring in it to make it mint green. On the camera it might look a little bit different, but in real life it is mint green. And
it kind of matches her beanbag. Let's all show you. Yeah, our real camera makes it look a little different. If I had my old camera, it wouldn't be so bad, though.
Yeah. Okay, so the recipe is also some shaving cream, foaming hand soap, and that's pretty much it. Put that down. Okay.
All right, hopefully you didn't see that.
All right, so now this slime we love so much because it's fluffy slime.
Yeah, it's like marshmallow fluff.
It's like so stretchy.
But don't rip it. It will ruin it if you rip it. And I just love doing this. View it. Make it look, see me what I'm doing. Hold it like this. Like that. To make it look see. I just love doing this. Oh, it's got a sparkle from something. It's so much fun just sticking it in there. And if a little boy comes in, just ignore him. He's our very rude cousin. It smells terrible.
Okay, so let's move on to slime number 2.
Slime number 2 is very pretty and green. It's actually the Nickelodeon slime, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's not really Nickelodeon slime. Oh, that's a good idea. She just got her camera and clipped it up to make it stay.
Okay.
Oh, stop playing with that. Sorry. I'm going to see it.
Now, our slimes are not for sale. I'm sorry. We just like to play with them. They're not for sale. So.
Wow!
Okay, so put that one away.
Okay, I'm poking it.
Okay, so that's slime number 2, which we call our Nickelodeon slime.
This slime's kind of like the slime that JoJo got slimed by, right?
Yeah.
We love our JoJo girl. We're weird. I love poking it. It's so much fun poking. All right, get the phone.
It's like kind of like a blubber, it's more like a flubber.
If you squeeze it like this, it feels like cat vomit. I felt cat vomit before, apparently.
Okay, so let's move on to slime number 2.
No, don't.
Wait, no, let's tell them how we made this one.
Yeah.
This one
was laundry detergent, water, food coloring,
glue.
Yeah, a little bit of glue, actually.
Yeah, and also some water.
Yeah. One of my cousin's friends, my other cousin's friend that's in gymnastics, poured water on it for some reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it ruined it. So don't put water on your slime.
Yeah, it ruins it. Now, I want to save this one for last. It's very pretty and it matches your room.
Okay.
This one. This is slime number 4. Actually, 3.
That one's kind of weird.
I don't even know how we made this one.
It's called a dry slime.
Stop playing with that. I want to see
It's called a dry slime, and it's just kind of really fun to squish, basically.
Yeah.
We don't really understand how we
We call it the pink clay.
Yeah, because it's kind of like clay, honestly.
The pink clay, the Nickelodeon girl. This is JoJo Nick. JoJo. I'm just kidding. It's JoJo's it's Nickelodeon. Okay, it's Nickelodeon JoJo slime. And this is
the mint marshmallow.
Mint marshmallow.
And our last one is
no. We have to tell them how we made this.
Okay.
How do we make it? I forgot.
Well,
I don't even know how I made it.
I actually did put a little bit of air dry clay in it.
Mm-hmm.
And lotion and paint.
Oh, we put lotion in this too.
Yeah, we put lotion in that. We put lotion in all of them, basically.
And the next one we're about to show you is very pretty. And at the end, we're just going to play with them a whole bunch. I'm going to play with this one and probably that one, and you can play with these two, because you like those two the best.
Wait, which one am I playing with?
You can play with these two, and then I'll play with these two, and then you...
No, I'm playing with this one, because
No, listen. Listen, Linda, listen.
That's not my name.
No, I'm going to play with these first, and then you're going to play with these while I'm playing with these, and then I'm going to play with these while you're playing with these. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, sorry for that argument. We were a little caught up. We should have thought this through before we make the video. All right, but yeah, how do we make it?
So I don't really remember. I made it
we did like air dry clay, a little bit of water,
lotion, paint,
glitter. Yeah, it's not really showing up on the camera, and apparently blue slime from leftovers.
What?
I don't know why.
Okay, put this one down.
All right, put it. We are so crazy because we had that Barbie thing and it made us go crazy. All right, now next one that I love so much, and it reminds me of her because it's mine. It's kind of the same texture as JoJo slime. This is called here, I'm trying to remember what it's called. Okay, it's called Glitter Explosion. Actually, it's actually Glitter Tornado. Because it's like blue for tornado and gold for glitter.
We have a bunch of little gold sequences in it. Wait, let's show them.
Sequins in it. I don't even think they see me. But this one, we made it was the same as this one. Except we put sequins in.
There's a sequence in it.
Except we put little gold sequins in it. And it's blue. And we put gold paint in it, it
didn't really work out.
But it gave it a little shine, if you can see. The camera doesn't show up on the camera. But now...
But it's actually like super duper sparkly.
Well, that was a close one.
Okay, so let's play with the slimes.
All right, you can play with that one. I'm going to play with this one. I love this one. Now, guys, you're going to watch us while we play with our slimes. And you guys can make this. This one was actually super easy. It was just stuff you could find.
And if you want to know exactly how to make it, then go to Minty Slime's YouTube channel. And this is the DIY, which means do-it-yourself, slime. And